Hello students, welcome back to your class. Hope you all are going well. Today I am going to do the exercise questions on page number 59 and 60, the continuation part. Okay, question number 5. In the picture, the bisectors of adjacent angles of the quadrilateral ABCD intersect at PQRS. Prove that PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. Here we have to prove that PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Here ABCD is a quadrilateral and we have to prove that PQRS is cyclic. So we enough to prove that the opposite angles, the sum of opposite angles are 180 degree. First, we have to assume the angles of the quadrilateral. Let angle A equal to 2x, angle B equal to 2y, angle C equal to 2w, and angle D equal to 2z. Okay. Since the angle bisectors divides the angles into two equal angles. Okay. So we can write x, x, y, y, w and w, z, z. Okay. So from the figure we can write what we can write? Yes, we can write 2x plus 2y plus 2w plus 2z equal to 360 degree. The sum of all four angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Next, 2 into x plus y plus w plus z equal to 360 degree. From this we can write x plus y plus w plus z equal to 360 by 2 and it is equal to 180 degree. 360 by 2 equal to 180 degree. From the figure, consider the triangle DPC. We have to find the angle P. So, angle DPC equal to 180 minus W plus Z. In triangle DPC, angle DPC equal to 180 minus W plus Z. Okay. Next, we have to consider the triangle ARB. ARB. Here we have to find the angle R. Angle R is equal to, in triangle ARB, angle ARB equal to 180 minus x plus y. So next we have to take the sum of these two angles. So angle DPC plus angle ARB equal to 180 minus W plus Z plus 180 minus x plus y. 180 plus 180 is equal to 360 minus x plus y plus w plus z. It is equal to 360 minus 180 degree. X plus y plus z is 180. So 360 minus 180 is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, in triangle BQC, we have to find angle Q. Okay, in triangle BQC, angle Q. Angle Q is equal to 180 minus y plus w. In the figure, angle Q and angle RQP are equal because they are the opposite angles. Okay, they are the opposite angles. So we can write angle RQP equal to 180 minus y plus w, because the opposite angles are equal. Okay. Next, consider the triangle ASD. Okay, ASD. From that we have to find angle S. Angle S is equal to angle RSP because they are the opposite angles. In triangle ASD, angle S equal to 180 minus x plus z. Okay, therefore angle RSP equal to 180 minus x plus z. Next we have to add both the angles. Angle RQP plus angle RSP equal to 180 minus y plus w plus 180 minus x plus z. X plus z. Okay. So 180 plus 180 is 360 minus x plus y plus w plus z. It is equal to 360 minus 180 and it is equal to 180 degree. Here the sum of opposite angles Q and S equal to 180 degree. So we can say that in PQRS, opposite angles, the sum of opposite angles are supplementary. So it forms a cyclic quadrilateral. We can write PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Next, question number 6. Two circles below intersect at P and Q. The lines through these points meet the circles at A, B, C, D. The line AC and BD are not parallel. Prove that if these lines are of equal length, then ABDC is a cyclic quadrilateral. Sub-question number 2. In the picture, the circles on the left and right intersect at the middle circles at PQRS. The lines joining them meet the left and right circles at ABCD. Prove that ABDC is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, in both cases we have to prove that ABDC is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, here we have to prove that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So we enough to show that the sum of opposite angles are supplementary. Given that AD and BC are equal. In the first question, given that AD and BC are equal. So let angle A equal to angle B equal to x degree. Can you say that? Why it becomes x degree? Both the angles? Yes. They are angles opposite to equal sides. Okay, they are the angles opposite to equal sides. First we have to join PQ. Join Q. As APQB is cyclic, if angle A equal to x degree, then angle PQB equal to 180 minus x degree, because opposite angles are supplementary. Okay, because opposite angles are supplementary. Next, if angle B equal to x degree, then what about angle APQ? That is also 180 minus x degree. So we can write, if angle B equal to x, then angle APQ equal to 180 minus x degree. Okay. Next, from the figure we can identify that angle PQC equal to x degree because there forms a linear pair, and angle DPQ is equal to x degree, there also forms a linear pair. As the quadrilateral PQCD is cyclic, then angle PQC equal to x degree, which is equal to x degree because linear pair. Okay, then angle, if angle PQC equal to x degree, then angle PDC equal to 180 minus x degree because they are the opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral. Angle PDC equal to 180 minus x degree, opposite angles. Okay. Next, if angle DPQ equal to x degree, then angle QCD equal to 180 minus x degree. They are the opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. So next we have to add the opposite angles of the whole quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. So angle A plus angle C and angle B plus angle D. First of all, angle A plus angle C. It is equal to x plus 180 minus x, and it is equal to 180 degree. Next, angle B plus angle D equal to x plus 180 minus x, and it is equal to 180 degree. This shows that ABCD is a quadrilateral, is a cyclic quadrilateral.
That's all for today. Thank you.